start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand up, my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. The reason why
I told her like you, that bitch, I do it all, and I'm around, you're scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. Promise, give me a do it. I joke.
Hello my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it is your first time checking out this channel, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for checking out this channel again. So guys, I am really sorry, this video is really overdue. I was supposed to post that at the beginning of February, but I couldn't. But it is here now, and it is going to be a silent video. I won't be talking, and I hope you enjoy this video guys. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video and my other videos, leave a comment and share this video, and I will see you in the next one. Love you, bye. I keep it 100 from my head down to my toes. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the move. Touchdown in my hometown, got nothing to lose. I am on my own now, I am in control now. I need you to go now, I can fix my own crown. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Don't dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. I'm fucking with you, don't know how to love me. I'm dealing with you, so I'm back.
I just looked at my wrist, I got time today. Fuck it, I'm crossing the line today. The hate be so real, the love be fake. Be bumping they gums and bumping my tape. Don't go against me, they ask for my help. Go get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gon' step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept. Yup, she got a nigga, he got a shirt. Why? You can't compete when you can't compare. She ate the dick through my underwear. Got up and got herself out of there. I see they put me on memes and things. Don't speak on my life without knowing the real. 8 figures a year, what it cost me to live. Don't hold it, just say what you feel, but watch your mouth before I fly at your bitch. To a place that she didn't know exists. Mediterranean water, my wrist. Keep it on piss, how I'm talking my shit. 6-figure check for a show, man, I'm lit. Let's celebrate in my bag, legit. These niggas with me with whatever I'm with. Didn't know who did it, got everybody hit. Bitch, I don't like niggas, I don't like bitches, I don't like nobody. We can get gangster, we can keep it cordial. How you wanna go back? How you wanna do it? I don't backtrack, man, fuck that. I don't miss nobody. Left it on scene, I ain't right back. I don't trust nobody. I just looked at my wrist, I got time today. Fuck it, I'm crossing the line today. These bitches will cry and be lying in your face. Slicker than us, gotta know how they play. If the money went straight, you won't be here today. Ain't that man, sure know what to say. You ain't me, so it's hard to relate. What? How much cash I fuck off every day?
And that was it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you so much. I love you so much. And yeah, guys, I'm gonna see you on my next video. Please watch my other videos, share my videos, and subscribe to the channel. Also check my socials, because I really do post constantly on my socials, so check that out. Okay, loves, bye.